Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivathmika Chavali. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today I'm gonna solve palindrome number. Palindrome number in the sense the number when we read from right to left, it should be the same as of left to right. See here in this example, 121, right? When you read right to left, 121, it's the same. 1 to 1 reads as 1 to 1 from left to right and from right to left. So we need to return true. If it is not, means we need to return false. See, 1 0 from left to right, but and from right to left it is 0 1. So we return false. And you can see when it is negative number, when we read left to right, minus 1 to 1. But when you read right to left, it is 1 to 1 minus. We need to return false for this statement. We got one edge case. Let's start it. If it is a negative number, immediately we should return false. By the way, this is day 17 of being productive in coding. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It really boosts me, and this series is only for knowledge purpose for me, and also to improve myself in coding. Let's see now here. Let's come back to code. Okay, what we are doing. Okay, we handled one edge case, right? Now we need to handle the main case, that is if it is a palindrome number. First we need to check for that. In order to check, we required some variables. Let's say sum, and let's store the this original number in a variable called num. Okay, now I have initialized the variables required for this program, and now I am using while loop and uh, basic math code here. See, integer reminder, we should get the reminder of the number. See, the number is divided by 10, and the remainder will be stored in the variable called rem. Basically the mod operator, what it will do means it stores the remainder value. Now we got the remainder. Now we should require the sum. So sum into 10 plus rem value, and now we need to update the x value. Here this is the division, and the quotient will be stored in the x. Here the remainder will be stored in the rem variable here. Now after completion of while loop, we will the number will be stored in the sum. Now we need to check whether the sum is equal to the original one or not. Here original is actually we are performing operations with the x variable itself. So at last when the while loop stop execution, x will be 0 because we kept the condition as x not equal to 0. When the while loop will stop when the x value is 0. When it reaches to end of the loop, x will be 0. For that's why we store the x value in one number, that is we initialize it that num. Okay, now we need to compare whether the num and sum are equal. If these two are equal, then then this that number, the given x value is palindrome number. If it not, means it is a not palindrome number, that is we need to return false. Let's execute the code. This is actually an easy problem really. All you need to have some math skills, and you need to decode this one. And if you got this, please comment below, and let's submit the code. This is actually an easy problem. It's submitted. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.